started the video. Let's go. Hello. Do you expect having a fidget spinner? Hi. Do you expect having a fidget spinner? Yeah. Then here's one. Call 19806. This is just a pretend call. Don't actually call it. It's free. The bean dance! So, fidget spinners are very popular and they're also intuitive. And see, we have a Christmas tree filled with golden. If you see this Christmas tree around my house, you'll get a efficiently play button. Oh, and I don't have a play button, just to let you know my face is showing. So this way, shall we? Shall we over here? This, can you show the camera? Here we have a place where we put our junk bottles, milk. That's my milk, favorite. And if you put this fidget spinner, you die. Over here we have a basement, fully basement. It's very scary. Over here we have this scary spider. Yes, we got it. Yes, it is very scary. We got it from Walmart. It wasn't like this. You just move it so people could say ah. And this witch lost her nose, so that makes it more creepy. And it makes it more creepier if she lost one eye. There, she lost one eye. Look at the camera. So this is how you do a Halloween prank. Just kidding, it's not a prank. So my sister did it. It's kind of bad filming, so ow. Dory! Subscribe and like the video, and I hope you leave a great comment. If I get like 2 subscribers or 3 or 4 subscribers, I'll do Draw My Life Part 1 and Part 2. So we'll see you next time. Bye!